Ryan Breton has our forecast. We saw those clouds come in throughout the day today, which is an indicator of what is around the corner.
Yeah, and I got a couple emails from people who saw halos around the sun as the clouds started. First they were high and thin. Yeah, so those are ice crystals way up in the atmosphere.
I was going to say, I remember there was some kind of crystallization.
Right.
Okay.
So basically the sun hits those and then refracts it, making that halo. Now the clouds are too thick for any halos in most spots. We got a camera to show you. This is from Camden, where it is gray and 34. Big change from earlier this week, when this time we were bright and sunny back on Tuesday with those warm temps. Right now we're in the 30s through most of the state, and we have the clouds that have certainly thickened up for many of us too. If you look on radar, it looks like the snow isn't that far away, but it still is really, in reality, a ways away. The atmosphere is pretty dry, so those initial returns aren't going to hit the ground. This is not a big storm system. It really zips through tonight. Interesting to note that on the backside of it in Ohio today, there have been wind gusts to 70 miles per hour. We're not going to get that windy here tomorrow, not even close, but it will be gusty after this passes through tomorrow morning. So hour by hour tonight, there will be a few spotty snow showers out there, but if you have any evening plans, I don't really think these put down too much snow. By midnight, though, things start to change. We have steadier snow that comes in from the west, and for a couple of hours, it'll come down at a pretty good clip. But it's mainly while most people are sleeping. So by 4 in the morning, we're wrapping this up over far southern Maine, still snowing through central and down east Maine. And even here, towards 6 in the morning, wrapping it up on the mid-coast, still a little snow around Bangor and down east. But shortly after sunrise, the snow lifts into northern Maine. And some snow showers will linger in northern Maine and the mountains tomorrow, but there shouldn't be much additional accumulation past mid-morning. To the south, there will be a lot of clouds tomorrow. Breaks of sun here and there, temps to get into the low and mid 40s, but there will be a gusty breeze, some gusts that can get to about 35 miles per hour tomorrow afternoon. And maybe a brief shower that comes through late in the day, but again, most of this is an overnight event. So from Portland south, it's around an inch, and there may not be much around the Berwicks or Kittery. 1 to 3 inches from the mid-coast back through Augusta, Lewiston, and Freiburg, and then north of there, the northern foothills up around Route 2 into down east Maine, 3 to 6. I think Bangor probably gets about 3.5 or 4. For our Sunday, the weather looks nice, kind of like today in that it's sunny in the morning. Some clouds come in during the afternoon with highs near 40. That's ahead of the next system that comes in for Monday and Tuesday. And this one takes a track way to our west, putting us on the warm side of the system. I think we have waves of rain on Monday, kind of off and on. And then as this cold front approaches overnight Monday night, the temps do not go down much at all Monday night. They might go up, and we'll have a gusty southerly wind for a few hours early Tuesday morning. And then that'll clear out, and it's still gusty behind the system, but the wind will change direction and send down some colder air. We have potential to get a pretty good soaking, 1 to 2 inches, and there could be some places in down east Maine Monday night into early Tuesday that pick up more than 2 inches of rain. Seas tomorrow, 5 to 10 feet with a west wind 15 to 25 knots on the water. So there you see it. Most of the snow is tonight. Some snow showers linger in northern and eastern Maine tomorrow. Sunday is the pick of the weekend with sunshine and some afternoon clouds. Then it's pretty wet off and on Monday. Monday night doesn't wrap up until later Tuesday morning. After that system goes by, it looks kind of cold for just one day. That would be Wednesday, where we're going to be quite a bit below average for mid-March.
Okay, but afternoon and evening events on Tuesday for St. Patrick's Day. Right. Better shape.
I think so, yeah. The morning probably damp.
Yeah.
So don't be like at the bar crawl first thing. After work, it'll be dry.
The real people will be there anyway.
Yes.
All right, Ryan, thank you.